Bhagavad Gita, chapter 6, text 7. Yadatmana prasantasya paramatma samahita sitostan sukha dukhesu tatha manapamana yoho. Or one who has conquered the mind, the supersoul is already reached, for he has attained tranquility. To such a person, happiness and distress, heat and cold, honor and dishonor are all the same. So when one is controlling, rising above not only mind but the Chitta Atmana, which is this material self, mind, intellect, ego, and this material Swachit, one reaches the level of the self. And that's very natural when one sees the self. One can see how the self is eternally connected to the Paramatma, the Supreme. These are two different entities. Self is never equal to the Paramatma, but self is eternally connected to the Paramatma. And this is like the state of like a prasanta, which means that's the state of complete peace, in that sense that we don't anymore hanker for the material objects because we have found some better. It's not that we are anymore trying to practice vairagya or tapasya to control the material senses, but because we have found something better, we don't have anymore any attraction on these like a lower level of enjoyments. Like it a little bit like that if you break the leg and same time mosquito bites, you don't feel the mosquito bites because the pain of breaking leg is so big that the mosquito bite doesn't really matter anymore. Similar way, when we experience the spiritual happiness, which is inherent in the self, and especially when we the happiness what we experience when we perceive the Supreme in everyone's heart, the material experience becomes very insignificant. It doesn't have any meaning. And that's how on that kind of person, happiness and distress, heat and cold, honor and dishonor, they are all the same. There's no any meaning for these dualities or these pluralities of this material existence for that kind of person. Bhagavad Gita, Ki Chai.